Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Teachable, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Teachable. Press enter to navigate to the Teachable homepage. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page with registration options. Choose the Sign Up option to create a new account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Once you've filled out the email and password, click on the Get Started for Free button. You will receive a confirmation email from Teachable. Go to your email inbox and locate the confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Teachable site. Now, fill out your profile information as prompted. Provide your name and any other required details. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click on the Continue button to move forward. You may be asked to select a plan for your Teachable account. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Complete any additional setup steps as instructed. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Teachable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.